that I'm going to take care of myself much better than I did last year. Last year, I think I spent a lot of time just taking care of everyone and totally forgetting about me. Now, when it came around to the holidays, the past holidays, I was so busy taking care of everyone that I totally forget that I need to take care of myself. At the end of all the fussing, the hustle, and the bustle, what I noticed is that my under eyes were so dark, no joke. It was looking so dark, like I went through a series of stress, or like I went through about 6 months of stress. Now, that is far from the truth. What happened? Yes, it's a little bit stressful sometimes for me over the holidays when I want to, like take care of everybody, and I didn't spend enough time on my, as a matter of fact, that is me speaking truth. Now, as a matter of fact, I spend no time at all with myself. At the end of it, I take a look in the mirror and take a look at this picture. Now take a look, guys. Look at my eyes. My dark circles are going crazy. My face on a whole is looking a mess. So what I'm doing, I'm taking this picture for you guys to see, and then I'm going to be using the remedy for a week, and after a week I'm going to make the video. I'm going to show you the difference with the remedy that I am using. So this video is done a week before the actual video that I'm going to be doing. All right, so this is the before. And what I saw was really a shocker. My under eyes was so dark. My eyes was looking weak. It's like just everything was going to the left under my eyes. So I came on the show and I was like, guys, my under eyes is taking a toll for the worse. And someone was like, okay, Khichi, let me see what you're gonna do to take care of those dark circle now. So guess what, guys? What I'm gonna do for you, I'm gonna share a remedy that I am currently using to clear up my dark under eyes. I do know I have a lot of remedies out there, but this is a quick and easy one that I whip up, and that is doing a number on my under eyes. It's not completely gone, to be honest, but it is getting there. I'm relaxing and things are looking better. I'm happy. The holidays are past, and so will my dark under eye circle. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watching. Now, to make this recipe, you are gonna need a blender. You're also gonna need a strainer, and you are gonna need some bowls to mix your mixture in. To make our vitamin K rich eye serum, I am going to be using the cucumber. Now what I'm going to do with the cucumber, I am going to peel the cucumber. Since the cucumber peel contains most of the vitamin K properties that we're looking for to get rid of the puffy eyes, the dark circles, and also the eye bags. So I'm just going to peel my cucumber as I'm showing here. And now this is ready. What I'm going to do with this next, I'm going to blend, but I'm going to put it to the side to begin with and introduce the next ingredient. Now the next ingredient is potato, and potato is known to help to get rid of dark under eye circles. Potato contains an ingredient called catecholase, which will help to diminish the dark circles. It also has vitamin C, which is another brightening agent, and it contains iron and potassium. Now for this remedy, I only need a half of the potato. Now this is about 2 ounces, and this is good enough for the remedy. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna just peel my potato. Now once the potato is peeled, I'm going to be chopping the potato for blending. Now if you do not have a blender, you can choose to use a grater, so go ahead and grate the potato. So now that we chop the potato, I'm going to place it in the blender along with the cucumber peel. Now no need to add any water to this mixture, just blend as is. Now after blending, we're gonna strain. So let's just get this in the strainer. And it looks rather creamy. So just dump it in the strainer. Make sure to get everything out. Pour that in. And now we're gonna extract the juice. And just take your time with it and squeeze right. We don't need the trash in this recipe. All we need is the juice. So we're just gonna mix the two together. This is what it looks like. And now we're gonna introduce the other ingredients. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some castor oil, and I like using Jamaican black castor oil, but use whatever castor oil you have. I'm using castor oil because the antioxidant in castor oil help to prevent the skin from getting affected by free radicals. They also help in shrinking blood vessels and reducing fluid retention, which in turn help in getting rid of dark under eye circles. It also helps to get rid of the puffy eyes. And guess what? It also helps to moisturize and hydrates the skin. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the black castor oil. Any castor oil you're using, use 1 teaspoon. And we're going to pour this in. Moving on to our next ingredient. Here I have some aloe vera gel. This is the store-bought. You can also use the fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. And aloe vera gel is another ingredient that is amazing for clearing the skin and the whole of spots and blemishes. It's great for the under eyes. It will help to get rid of the puffy eyes. It will also help to hydrate the skin. Just an amazing ingredient for under eye uses. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons, which is 10 ml of the aloe vera gel. If you're using fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use 1 teaspoon. We're pouring this in. And now we're going to mix this together, and we're mixing this into a cream. So mix well. And now here I have an optional ingredient. You do not have to use this, but if you have it, go ahead and use it. It's papaya seed oil. If you don't have papaya seed oil, you can substitute it for carrot seed oil or even some carrot butter or some vitamin E oil. So I'm just going to spritz, since mine have a pump, about a half a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil in this, optional. And I'm just going to blend this in. And now our dark circle, puffy eyes, eye bag remover cream is ready. Now before you use this, I suggest that you put this in the refrigerator to chill. And then you're going to use a Q-tip or a cotton pad to apply it to your dark circles. And you're going to leave it on. You're not going to rinse off overnight, and upon them rising in the mornings, you rinse off. This is already moisturizing, so you do not need to use any form of an eye cream or serum when you're using this remedy. However, I'm going to go on the other side, and I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. You can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. What I do, I just pour a little of the remedy out, preferably in a little container. And I'm just pouring it in my hands for demonstration. I take my Q-tip and I rub it in, and then I apply it under my eyes, dab it on like this. So I just dab it on under the eyes, and then after I dab it on, I just go in and I take my fingers like this and I just pat it in and wake the skin up. Just press it on, and you can smell the castor oil in this. Smell really, really strong, and pat it on above the eyes, and that is it. I just leave it there overnight. If I'm staying at home, I just keep it on, wear it all day, and then I rinse it off, and that's the result. there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comments. I know you have those. Leave them, leave them, leave them. I love to read them, even if I don't answer them. And share the video. Share the video with someone who might need this remedy. And that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.